Hi guys, I'm Sneha. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a makeup kit, a beginner's makeup kit, and I'll try to keep the makeup kit under rupees 3000. So I know this can be a lot for some of you, but if we take into consideration good quality makeup products, they are not very cheap. You can go ahead and make a kit that's within 1000, 1500, but then we don't know the quality of the products that are going into that makeup kit. So to ensure that we pick only the best quality makeup products in our kit, I'm going to be showing you a makeup kit that's within rupees 3000. So of course you can modify some items, not have a few of them which you feel are not very essential for you, and then the cost eventually comes even further down. And also the prices that I'll be mentioning are the full MRP. So during the festive sales you can find these products at 30 to 50% off. So that again brings the total amount of all these products considerably down. So let's begin with the makeup kit. So the first product is something to start your base with. So you can invest in a moisturizer, in a primer, or in an aloe vera gel. So I will suggest you this Lakme 9 to 5 Naturale Aloe Aqua Gel. This one is for 200 rupees, but again there are a lot of good discounts online for this, and this works as your makeup base as well as your primer. So if you're someone who is not willing to invest a lot of money in your base, I will suggest that you invest in any aloe vera gel that you feel is good for you. And I quite like this in budget category for base makeup, and I think Lakme itself says that you can use it as your primer and as your like moisturizer. If not an aloe vera gel, I will suggest you something like the Pond's Daily Light Moisturizer or the Lakme moisturizer, the one that comes peach milk moisturizer. Yeah, they again come in the 100 rupees range, and they are great for, one is for combination oily and one is for normal to dry skin. So moving on to the base makeup further. Now if you're someone who doesn't like foundation, I will suggest you start with BB cream, CC cream. So you have these Garnier and the Pond's BB cream, which are very easily available in the market, and again they are very affordable. I think 50, 60, 70 rupees se start hota hai, and they are good quality products. Personally, I am not a BB CC cream fan because I've used a lot of different makeup, high-end makeup, budget makeup, good quality makeup. So I feel BB creams are good for those who are either college going students or people who don't like putting a lot of makeup. If you're someone who loves doing makeup, who has just started out with makeup, I will suggest you the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation. This is a very good foundation for the price that you pay in. I have the bottle which doesn't come with a pump, but I think the latest addition on Nykaa which I've seen is the bottle comes with a pump now, which I think is a huge plus for a bottle foundation, because generally the rim of the bottle becomes very messy. And again, this is for 500-550 rupees, but again jab discounts chalte hain, so you get it at around 300 rupees, which is crazy. And it also comes in a tube size bottle, which is originally priced at 299. So you have your foundation which is priced at 299, and you can start with something like this. Even normal to dry skin can use it if they have a very good moisturizer or primer underneath. Now if we are talking about foundation, we definitely will have to talk about a concealer that you can include in your makeup kit. Now there are a very few good quality concealers in the budget category, but the one that I had loved a lot in the past, this is the Wet n Wild PHOTOFOCUS concealer. I'm in the shade Medium Tawny. Now this one retails for 399, but I have not seen any concealer that performs this good at this price point. And I think I purchased it from Amazon at only 199 rupees. So I mean 200 rupees mein you're getting such a good quality concealer. So if you're someone on a budget, if you're someone who's just starting out, definitely invest in something like this. If not this, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer again is very close to this, and I think I like both of them equally in the budget category. Now for the compact powder, I will recommend you the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact. I use the shade Shell, and this one retails for 160 rupees. It comes with a mirror. It comes with a sponge. I don't use that very often because I am mostly using makeup brushes. But again, this is a complete product in itself, and 160 rupees में आपको mirror भी दे रहे हैं good quality. And again, very good quality compact powder for people who have oily skin type. And I have seen myself using this a lot. In fact, most of the products that I'm showing you in this beginner's makeup kit, I love using them in my makeup tutorials. If not a compact powder, if you like loose powder, something like this Blue Heaven Sapphire Makeup Translucent Powder. This again is for 125 rupees and very good for the price that you're paying. See the huge tub that this comes in. How much grams of the product? 20 grams of product for 125 rupees. Very good if you're just starting out. Now moving on to some eye makeup products. For the kohl, I will recommend this NY Bay, the big apple of my eye kohl pencil. Only 60 rupees and so jet black. If you see in the swatch that I'm showing you, you can see one swipe and it has jet black intensity. So again, this is great. You also have L18, you have Maybelline, Lakme. In fact, all the brands make good quality kohls, but सबसे affordable and सबसे jet black मुझे ये NY Bay का लगा. For the liquid liner, I will suggest you the Nykaa Black Magic liquid liner. What I love about this one is एक तो 299 का है, very affordable. And if you see the tip, see how thin and precise the tip is. So it makes your eyeliner application very precise. So there are less chances of you making mistake, and if you're just a beginner who's just learning to do an eyeliner, eye makeup looks, you would like to invest in something which is not very expensive yet which is very good quality. And again, this one dries to a matte finish. I love my liners drying to a matte finish. For the brows, I will recommend you the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. I've used this quite a bit, so the entire packaging has got smudged. Now this one has two sides to this pencil. First side has your pencil eyebrow shaper, and the second side has this powder. So it helps in smudging and blending out the lines that you have created with the liner on the other side. And again, this is a grey color, so if you have jet black hair like mine, a taupey brown or a grey color is a great pick for eyebrow pencil. For the mascara, this again is an old favorite, is the Lakme Eyeconic Curling Mascara. 375 rupees this one retails for, but again sales mein you get it around 250-300 rupees. So if you're getting it at that price, I will recommend you not skip this, because this is very good. This is waterproof, and this also doesn't dry very quickly, which is a problem with some of the Maybelline mascaras. So yeah, this one is very good for your lashes. It gives very good length, good volume, and this is affordable. So my next recommendation is an eyeshadow palette. Now it is very difficult to find budget eyeshadow palettes which give good intensity, which give good color payoff, and I would like to recommend you this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is their Mini 9 and it has these 9 different shades. So your eyeshadow palette should basically have combination of a few matte and few shimmer or foiled or your glitter shades. Now most budget eyeliners will either have all glittery shadows or all matte shadows. Now that doesn't create a complete eye makeup look in my opinion, and I think something like this for only 199 is extremely good quality. I've used it in my makeup tutorials in the past, and I can tell you 199 mein I have not seen any other brand make such good quality eyeshadow palette. So moving on to the face makeup. Again, a product from Swiss Beauty. This is their baked blusher and highlighter. So you have your blusher and highlighter in one, and this retails for 350 rupees. So again, 2-in-1 makeup product. You can just swirl your brush on top of this and use it as your shimmery blush. And again, I've used this so much and I still see myself reaching out for this one a lot of times. And this again comes in a lot of different shades. So if you're not someone who would like a pink blush or shimmer, silver shimmer, there are a lot of different shades. You can check out the website. I'll leave all the links for these products in the description. Okay, so finally talking about some lipsticks. Now lipsticks generally market में start होती है 100 rupees की range से. Good quality में you have your 50-60 rupees वाला, but I will not recommend personally. So let me just show you some of the lipsticks that I have selected for this video. Of course, you can go ahead and buy like most of these or invest in just one or two. I think if you're just starting out, invest in a good pink color. So yeah, and one should be like a nude brown or pink brown color. This is something that can be your everyday lipstick. So let me just show you my picks. Okay, so the first one is this L18 Colourpops lipstick, and this shade is Mauve Date. Now these are your 100 rupees lipsticks, and they are very good for people who go to college or people who are just starting out using products like these. Now this is not very long lasting, to be honest, but again it's good for like 95-100 rupees. Then I will definitely recommend these Nykaa Matte Mini lipsticks. The quantity is really less, which is why they are priced at 199, but they are so good quality lipsticks. This one is the shade Naughty Nude, and I've used it in my tutorials in the past, and I still cannot get over how gorgeous this shade is. This is like your peach brown, somewhere in between nude color, and great for people who have skin tone like mine. I have the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creme, shade number 55. This is slightly pinkier than the ones that I showed you, but this is such a comfortable formula on your lips. Smells like vanilla. This is a dupe for the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creme. I think it is available for half the price of the NYX lipsticks. But again, great quality, very comfortable. But yeah, this is also not really long lasting because this is a lip cream formulation. So it tends to wear off in like 4 hours. If you are looking for something long lasting, a liquid lipstick in budget, Nykaa again has these mini liquid lipsticks. I have two shades. This is Madras Kapi, this is Boho. This is like a nude color, this is a pink color, and I am in love with both the shades. I think Nykaa has done such a good job with their lipsticks. Every lipstick that I buy from them, I think I become a fan. And of course, I'm not being paid to say this, but come on, if there are products which are so good quality available in market and which are so like well priced, I know this is not like well priced, but अगर आपको 10 lipsticks खरीदनी है, so full size खरीदने से अच्छा है ना कि आप minis खरीदो, you use them completely and like get the most out of your money. So this was my today's video in which I showed you a beginner's makeup kit under rupees 3000. Brands that I will recommend you if you're just starting out, for beginners, for people who are looking for affordable makeup. First is Maybelline, definitely, and Nykaa, Amazon keep running very good sale offers. So Maybelline is one brand which is available at very good prices. Second, I would like to recommend you Lakme for some of the products, because Lakme nowadays have a lot of products which are not very affordable, I will say. And the third which I would like to recommend you is Nykaa for their lashes, for their eye products and for their lipsticks. These are the products which come in the affordable category. So this was my today's video on the beginner's makeup kit. How did you find my today's video? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.